So today we have a health exam, which means we get a chest x-ray. We have to disclose any like health conditions we have, and we also have like a urine test. I was one of the many people who forgot their envelope, so I had to rush back to the dorm, pick it up, do the urine sample, fill out my details. But it's in my bag. So now we are heading back to uni. I'm hungry and it's 33 degrees and yeah.
I see.
Oh. But it's shiny and attractive. £3 for a knife.
Purchase the items next week. Please.
商品をスキャンして。
If you wish to purchase on the fifth floor.
同一商品です。
Welcome to the start of today's video. We're starting from the local library in the town centre. Today we are being taken around by Hashimoto-san, who is he's a retired local counsellor, and he currently owns a shop that's very close to our dorms. He's taken a group of us 8 exchange students. We went on a tour around the city hall. We had lunch there, which I didn't record, and now we are being shown local hotspots around the immediate vicinity of the dorm, including this wonderful local library, which I'm definitely going to study in. Now, they're currently being given a talk around the English version of the local city map. We're going to go have a look, but because this is very intimate and also some of the bits that we've been shown I'm not allowed to record and show you guys, I'm just going to show you the clips. It's going to be subtitled.
これでしょ、一つ星ここでしょ、ここをずっと歩いていくと、いいよ、もういいかな、大丈夫。
I completed 一橋graduate school last year. Economics.
エコノミックか。
日本の政治は、興味がありますけど、日本語でわかんないですけど、the politics is really similar to London, like England. So I like this. Yeah. I like the idea of politics. Yeah.
こんな感じでいいですか？
いいですよ。
写真撮るときは。写真撮るの3パシ。
Thank you.
Very young.
Very young.
Fine day.
A whole thing.
I assume this is only in like spring. I think.
One heart. So さっきのところに座って、やってたわけです。ウィンターの場合ね。駅ステーションの場合。ハンディキャップボーイ4人の